I've seen many beginners struggle with parking in spots like this, cars on both sides, and they don't know how to get in, so they just give up. Today, I'll teach you an easy way to handle it. First, drive forward slowly. Many people say to align your side mirror with the parking line, but that can be confusing. You might not know if it's really aligned, so instead, use your shoulder as the reference point. Once your shoulder lines up with the parking line, it's easy to tell. Next, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and move forward. When your left mirror shows the corner of the parking space, stop. That's the right spot. Now, turn the steering wheel fully to the left and start reversing. Keep an eye on both mirrors. If the left side feels narrow and the right side wider, remember this rule. Wide, go. Narrow, straighten. If it's too narrow, straighten the wheel and reverse a little, about 10 centimeters, then turn fully again and continue backing up straight. This way, your car will line up perfectly in the center, not tilted to one side. See? Now the car is parallel with the parking lines. Finally, straighten your wheel again and reverse slowly until your side mirror aligns with the mirror of the car next to you. That's when you stop. The result? A clean, perfect parking. Beautiful!